from Molokai. And now he's wow, he's almost reaching 40. It's almost 40 years ago. But he talked of his dream. And one day I saw him with a bucket on his head and a towel around his neck and a long stick, and he was sitting on a mango tree stump. So I asked him what he was doing. He said, I'm a knight and I'm hunting dragons. And I'm going to save all these women who are in distress. And after hearing that, I said, oh boy, that's inspiration for a song. So I went back to Honolulu and I wrote this song. It's called The Golden Star. Just a little boy and he dreams like a man of a gallant golden steed. He's a knight in shining armor with a pillow for a shield and a heart full of golden deeds. And he rise on the wings of a golden star. And the dreams become so real. With a pencil for a sword and a pail for a helmet and a saddle made of golden fleece. Dreams of mighty dragons and damsels in distress as he sings to himself in the glowing rain. And he rides on the wings of a golden stallion. And he dreams, and the dreams become so real. Deep weary sleep to face a long reality. Yet memories of ecstasy are still upon him as he tells me of his dream. How he rode on the wings of a golden stallion. Now he awakens from his deep weary sleep to face a long reality. Yet memories of ecstasy are still upon him as he tells me of his dreams. We rode on the wings of a golden stallion. We dreamt dreams, and how the dreams